Are you looking to buy a home in the future and people have told you to consider an FHA loan? Do you know what that is? Well, an FHA loan is a government-backed loan option, low down payment options, competitive interest rates, and also a very good loan program for flexible credit. So if your credit is not stellar and you don't think you can buy a house because of that, chances are FHA is a great option for you and can help you get into your next home. We can actually couple it with grants if you're a first-time home buyer or not. So there's lots of options to get you in that house no matter what. So next time someone talks about it and you hear, let them know you heard it here. And if you have any questions on what it means for you, give us a call.